Opo, this is a mass for peace and accountability sa mga nangyayari ngayon. Kailangan natin ng katahimikan, kailangan din ng pananagutan. And some of us, yung members of the prosecution panel, were here, attended the mass, and asked for solidarity and blessing as we embark on a very significant mission. Alam nyo naman na magkukonvene na based on the reports ay magkukonvene na bukas as impeachment court yung Senado. So in other words, the impeachment process is now ongoing. The impeachment trial is about to start. Hindi pa naman yan siguro yung trial proper, but at least yung pag-convene ng Senado sa impeachment court, sana matuloy na nga bukas. They constitute themselves already officially as senator judges. So kami po, ilan-ilang miyembro ng prosecution panel, ay humingi po kami ng pagbabasbas para tulungan kami to give us guidance, to give us strength, to give us wisdom as we work on our mission, which is to prosecute the respondent and to seek for her conviction para managot talaga siya sa ilalim ng ating salitang batas at ating mga batas. The rule of law shall prevail.
Okay. Ma'am, excuse me. Are you confident that the Senate will be impartial as impartial as will be the time that there was a coup that was instigated last week?
We certainly hope that they will do their job impartially. Kasi yun naman talaga ang nakalagay. Even sa rules nila, they are being asked to exhibit political neutrality. Ganun po ang nakasabi mismo sa rules nila, that while sitting as senator judges, they should exercise political neutrality. In other words, nakafocus lang sila kung ano yung katotohanan, nakafocus lang sila sa pag-examine, pag-scrutinize sa ebidensya at pag-render ng tamang pasya, ng tamang judgment, irrespective of their political inclinations, irrespective of their political beliefs, irrespective of their political affiliation. They are expected to exhibit neutrality, impartiality, and high sense of justice.
Do you believe that your case, that the case against Vice President Duterte is stronger now that it has been impeached? She has been impeached a second time?
But we have seen the evidence during the proceedings before the Committee on Justice, and you can expect that this evidence will be presented more strongly by the panel of prosecution. That's why we're preparing. Humahanda na po kami. Kailangan ho namin talaga makafocus sa aming trabaho para magkampanan namin ang trabaho namin ng maayos.
Any word?
Ate po ba kayo bukas? Kayo ni na Joel, ate po ba kayo bukas?
Sa